Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. They say that necessity is the mother of invention. Well, today we are inventing, so stay tuned. Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a project and you need something and you don't have it? Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways that you support me and my channel. Thank you for being here. If you're not a subscriber, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to the channel because we're doing some amazing things and you'll see one of them in just a few minutes. But what am I talking about needing and not having? Well, recently I was working on a project and I needed some pop dots. And I have pop dots, but for some reason they weren't where I thought they should be. And so I got tired of looking for them and I decided I'm going to improvise and make my own. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera, give you a quick look at what I'm talking about, then we're going to make some and then I'll show you how easy it is to use them. Alright y'all, so this is a sheet of pop dots and we use these whenever we have an item that we want to elevate on a craft to make it more dimensional. And there are various sizes on here. So this is what I was looking for the other day, couldn't find it. So I turned around and I made them. I made these pop dots myself. This is not store-bought. This is what I made and it's going to be very easy. I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to make it. So remember the other day when I made this particular project? Well, when I made that project, I had a lot of these pieces left over and I said save them because we can find a way to use them. Now I've thought of many ways to use these and this is just one of the ways that I'm going to share with you today. Very, very easy because all I'm going to do is take my tape and I'm going to place this tape down end to end on this piece of cardboard. And then I'm going to cut it. And then on this side, I'm going to place more tape because as you know, your pop dots have tape on both sides. That's how they work. So I'm going to take this, put it down like this, and trim. Take my big old spatula and make sure that I have a really good stick, front and back. Now I'm going to bring in my trimmer, and y'all, this part is completely up to you how wide you want your dots to be. So I am just going to take my trimmer blade and cut. I'm not cutting all the way through. I'm just making a pass. And I'm not really focused on the size. If you want to focus on the size, you can certainly do that. When you're making this, I am just making it so that I will have some sizes that might be different to cut. So when I hold it like that, I think that you can see my cut lines. And then we just do the same thing on this end. We just cut. And how wide you space it is completely up to you. I made some of mine wide and I made some narrow because I want to be able to use them on bigger items as well. And you can see that I'm just sliding this across and I'm cutting. But I'm not cutting all the way through. And so hopefully you can see my little pop dot squares and rectangles. Y'all, it is as simple as what you just saw me do. I used some plain old cardboard that I would put in the recycle bin to make my own pop dots. Now most pop dots are made of foam, but who says that they have to be foam? We can use whatever we want. This works, so let's use it. Alright y'all, so here's one of the little 3x3 cards I made yesterday. And I think that this would be pretty cute on there, except I don't want it to be flat. I want it to be raised just a little bit. So I am going to take 2 pop dots, maybe 3. So those are the 3 that I want. And I'll just take my little scissors and go in and cut them. So now I can take these and just like with regular Pop Dots, I'll peel off the back, place that where I want it. I think I only need to place 2. Peel off the back there, place that right there, and hopefully you're able to see how this will be raised. And so now I have to peel the tape off the back so that we can stick it to our item. So now I can take this and I can put it down just like that. And hopefully you can see that this is now elevated on our paper, and you'll know it's elevated because I can take this and go around underneath. So now all you have to do is take some tape, some scrap cardboard. Whenever you need a Pop Dot, you have instant Pop Dots at the ready because you can make them any size that you want. Just wanted to hop on today and share that with you because I think it'll be helpful and useful to a lot of us in our paper crafting. And it's a great way to save money too, because just a little bit of your tape and some cardboard that you were probably going to recycle. Now you can repurpose it. Look at all of the Pop Dots that I now have. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this very quick way to make your own Pop Dots. If you have, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.